Hello everyone. So today we're drawing Stitch. Are you ready to draw Stitch?
Yeah.
Alright, come join us. Let's do this. Okay, so what we're first gonna do is we're gonna draw an oval in the middle. Can you draw an oval?
I think I can do this.
You can? Yes, good job. And then right next to it, we're gonna draw 2 circles. Okay.
So that's the eyes.
Yeah.
That's the nose.
Correct. Good job. So draw
Because
2
I know
circles.
that.
Then we're gonna draw the head shape. So we're gonna draw an oval. We're gonna draw an oval going around. Can you draw an oval like that? Good job.
You kind of stopped a little bit.
It's okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw like a circle going around the eye. Okay? So I'm gonna show you what I mean. We're gonna go like this. And we're gonna go like this around the eye. Can you do that for me? Yeah, good job. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Good job.
It kind of looks like an owl, but it still looks like it's right.
It kind of does. You know what we could do? We could draw in the eye so we could see it a little more. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little scoop like this, like a half circle. Just a little bit at the top. Good job. And then we'll do it to the other eye. We'll do a little half circle. See? It's coming along. We'll do 2 little lines above the nose.
It's almost like Stitch, right?
Yeah, it's almost like Stitch. Like little wrinkles above his nose.
But what's from his nose of that?
I don't know, maybe like that's when he wrinkles his nose, that's how it looks. And then we'll draw his mouth. So what we'll do is we'll go like this. We'll make a line starting here. Go up to his mouth and then go back down like this. That's his mouth.
Like a heart?
Like a hill. Good job. and then we'll draw his chin in, which is this little line like this. Good job. We're gonna draw his hair. So we're gonna go up because his hair is a little spiky. We'll go up, do a spike, do another spike, and do another spike. We're gonna draw his body. So we're gonna come down like this, like a line.
Oh, we're doing his body too, and
A little bit, just a little bit of his body. And then we're gonna do a line the opposite way of this. So we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go in like that. Yep, and then we'll do it on this side too. And we'll go in like that. There we go. And what are we missing?
no.
You don't know? His ears. We don't have his ears yet. His pointy ears. So that's where we're gonna draw. We're gonna draw in his ears.
Like that?
Yeah. And then we'll do the other side. So we'll do the same thing on this side. Awesome. And then we're just gonna draw little details on the ears. So we could add 2 different colors to his ears. So we'll come down like this. Inside. Uh-huh. And then we'll add 1 going this way. Like that. Good job. And that's Stitch. So now we could color him in.
Okay.
So you could pick the colors you want to color Stitch, okay? Can I see this marker real quick?
I'm done. I'm gonna go in the room.
All right, go. Goodbye. So this is our final stitch drawing. How was it for you? Was it easy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If it was easy, please give the video a like.